Moi Moi is a very popular dish in Nigeria and is one of my favorite dishes. So today I'm super duper excited to show you how it is made. Here we have our 3 cups of beans and we have all the ingredients I'll be using for our Moi Moi. We have our red grounded pepper, we have our chili pepper, we have our seasoning cubes, and we have 1 tomato, we have diced onion, we have a garlic, and so you just pour your beans in hot water, wash it very well like this, put it in a jar, and then you blend your beans. Put it in a jar like this in a blender, you blend it smoothly like like what I just did now. It must be smooth. And then you add your chili pepper. Chili pepper makes the moi moi to be very red. Me, I love my moi moi to be really red. You put your tomato, you add your garlic and your chopped onion, and you just want to blend everything together. Give it one last blend. You add your crayfish. Guys, there is no moi moi without using crayfish, so you must put crayfish in your moi moi. You add your seasoning cube, and you add your blended dry pepper to it. So you must add your vegetable oil to it. Just give it that fluffiness. Give the moi moi some fluffiness. You add your salt to it, and then you mix together. Mix everything together. I love this missing part. It's so. Now this is my leaf stock. I just break some leaf stock in my pot. Put water in the pot. This is the leaf. I'll be doing 2 way of applying this, of doing this moi moi. So this is my leaf. You just fold the 2 edges. To start from the first edge, fold it. You're like trying to create a cone. You fold. So guys, you see I'm trying to create a cone with my leaf. Just fold like this, and then you just see created a cone with the leaf. Then you bend the edges of the leaf. Like this. So you guys can try using the leaf. This is a banana leaf. You guys can try using it at home. So now I'm just going to scoop my moi moi batter into the leaf. You see, I'm pouring the moi moi, the beans batter into the leaf. And see it, and then you fold. Yeah, I'm putting egg. I love boiled eggs a lot. There's no moi moi I make without putting boiled eggs. So I'm putting boiled egg inside, and I use some of the beans batter to cover the boiled egg before I fold my leaf like this. So guys, here's it. These are, I use the leaf for my moi moi. Just fold it like this, and then place it in the pot. As you can see, I've done some already, and I've placed them in the pot already. Why I put the leaf stalk is to give it a base, is to give the pot a base. And this is another method of putting your moi moi batter. This is like a plate, a small plate like this. Get a small plate like this, put some moi moi batter in it, and you put sardine. You can use any type of fish. Yeah, our moi moi is ready, guys. So this is our moi moi. It's ready, and it's so delicious, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, stay safe.